be retrieving the total revenue generated for each mode of payment over the past year. Include the number of transactions per payment method. The first button is select from mode of payment name. Mode of payment name. Any from credit card, debit card, digital wallet, cash, bank transfer, etc. After account na to ang transactions and ikas transaction ang transaction ID as transaction count. Tam i-plus din na to ang transactions delivery cost as total revenue gikan sa mode of payment. I-join ang transaction on mode of payment. Mode of payment ID is equals transactions mode of payment ID. Then transactions date is greater than or equals to current date. Ang interval is 1 year. Pwede na to mode of payment name order by total revenue. Yes. Pag-ira na to ni siya magawa sa dayon ako. And ni ang credit card, digital wallet, and debit card, cash. Ang pinakadaghan og transaction count. Create billing tab. Teka. Create bill. Oh, revenue. Transaction. Ayan siya. That's it.